So, hello, dear students. Today, we're going to learn how to create land use and land cover map using multispectral satellite image. Okay. To do this, we need a satellite image with a multispectral bands. So, I will connect my folder, which includes multispectral satellite image. It's This is the image. So I have a two satellite image, multispectral satellite image, which is recorded 2008 and 2010. Okay, if I also drop down, you see also the layers. Layers is multi-bands. For example, layer 1 shows blue, green, and red bands, and this four layer is infrared bands. Okay, that means four bands. In normal satellite image, for example, a drone image have only three layers: blue, green, red. Okay, but this image has four bands. This is infrared. Okay, I will upload to add to current map. I close it. Here you can see the Tashkent province satellite image because for the moment the color is not in the same place. It's That's why we cannot see the true image of the color. So I go to symbology, use my layer. Red must be third position. Green is the second. Blue is one because the blue, green, red. Okay, this is the four layer, my infrared layer. Okay, this is my image. Now it's true color. Water is blue. Vegetation is green. Here is some vegetation, and this is the soil, and urban. Okay, this is the urban area. So I also upload my Tashkent province map, catalog pane, folder connection is somewhere. Okay, but maybe your file is in different places. Could be in different place. Don't pay attention for this. Now I also add my Tashkent province map. It's 16 in the district. If I open the attribute table, it's the 16 district. This is the name of each district. Okay. So I want to label properties and apply. Then you can see the name for each district. Okay, and I can also remove the color. but I keep the outline color as maybe red, increase the width, apply. Okay. So probably I will select the Chinos district for the create land use land cover image. So I will extract this area because this area is too much for me. The first I select this one, the map, and select analysis, tools, extract by mask. Okay, input raster is 2008. And I select Tashkent province. Please pay attention, this use selected record is activated. Only one is selected. This means the one is selected and they will extract this area. Okay? Then run. I can remove this one because extract 2000 run. Okay. Takes some time. Now I have the image. To see the image, I have to turn off this. This is my extraction, but again, this is the not true color, but I go to again the symbology. Red is band 3, green is band 2, and blue is band 1. Okay? Maybe I also change the stretch type is maybe standard deviation is better. You can see the better image, I think. Yes. Or the person clip or minimum maximum, but I think the standard deviation is better. Okay. Okay. Now I can start to create land use land cover image by selecting the imagery. You have to select this one in imagery, classification tools, collect training sample. Okay. So I remove most of them. I need only 4 category. Okay. And remove. Water, developed barren tuberculosis, but I can change the name of this. Okay. The water is water. I have here some water. And developed is maybe I edit properties. Maybe I can give the urban. Okay. Urban is value is 20. Save. And barren, edit profiles, properties. Barren is the soil. Okay. I keep the color. The value is 30. And the last one is edit properties. Value must be 40. Okay. Here is 40. And this will be vegetation. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now I have a 4 category: water, urban, soil, vegetation. And the value is 10, 20, 30, and 40. Okay? So I can start to create training sample. First water. I select this one. Okay. and I search the water. Maybe this is the water, I think. Is Just select. Okay, the water. We select the water. This is the water. Okay, this is also the water. And this is also water. Okay. If you have many training samples, it may increase the classification quality. This is the water also, and this is also water. Okay. So I finish it. So I collect 3, 6, 7 samples for water. Okay, and you have to repeat the same thing for urban, soil, and vegetations. Okay, when you collect the training samples, you have to merge all training samples. Okay, like selecting. So you can see I collect many samples for each category: water, urban, soil, and vegetations. Okay, and the one thing I have to do before the classify, I have to merge. I have to select by shift, collapse. Okay, okay, okay. Water, urban, soil, vegetations. So that means I have to select, save these training samples for 2008 satellite image, change detection, and training samples 2008 image. Okay, save. Perfect. After collapsing all category, so I have to go classification tool, classify. Okay, and I select the training samples which I saved recently. If you don't see your training samples in your folder, you just please click refresh. Okay, now you can see training sample. I select. Okay, okay, and this is the classifier. So I can change the output file. I classified 2008. Okay, run, and you have to wait sometimes. Okay, now this is the result of the land use land cover map. I close it. This is the classified 2008. I have 4 category: water, urban, soil, vegetation. Okay, but to better see, I give the more detailed color. So water is just wait. Water is this, and urban is maybe red. Soil is color which is close to brown, maybe this one, and vegetation is of course the green. Okay, this is better, I think. Okay, now you can see the uh, classified land use land cover image for chinas, and uh, it's a raster format. There are several formats of raster, and this is the discrete raster format. Okay, to see the accuracy, I go to raster layer and to swipe. Okay, I just see the, for example, the water. Water is almost good. Okay, and this is the river channels of the Chirchik. Okay, you see it's almost good. Okay, and this is the Chirchik river is joining to Sirdarya. Okay, and now let's check one more time the greens. Okay, this is the greens vegetations. Okay, this is the good vegetations, and the soil is also better. Soil is better also. Okay, and soil is better. And urban is, I think we have too much urban. We have too much urban. Okay, but this is the depends on the channels. If we have too many channels, bands, we will get a better accuracy. But for the moment is enough. So now you need to add a second satellite image is 2010, and repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing for selected area. Okay, then you have to add 2010 satellite image, and you have to extract by mask of the selected area, and you have to also collect training sample for 4 category for 2010 and create land use map uh, like like this is classified 2010. Okay, then we will have a two land use map like classified map. One is 2008, one is 2010. Okay,